Hello, welcome to Fiber Addict. I'm Deanna, and today I'm going to be going over with you how to do a starting chain in crochet so that you can begin all of your crochet projects. In order to do a starting chain, the materials that you'll need is some medium or worsted weight yarn, scissors, and a crochet hook. Remember, a good size crochet hook for a medium weight yarn is going to be either an I or an H. So in order to start with your chain, the first thing that you're going to need to make is a slip knot. So to take that, you're going to take the tail end of your yarn, that's the end that just ends, and this is the working end of your yarn, the part that goes into your yarn. It's good to pull it from the center if you're able because it'll prevent knots and prevent your yarn from rolling around on the floor. So take the tail end of your yarn and make a loop by bringing it in front of the working end and then put the tail end behind. So once again, you make a loop by bringing your tail end in front of the working end. So you can see right here it's in front. And then bring it behind. And then you just grab this center piece and hold on to both of the pieces and you pull. And that's a slip knot. And it's called a slip knot because to undo it, you can just pull your tail end and no more knot. So once again, you take your tail end and you loop it in front and then you do it behind. Another way to pull that loop out, and the way I prefer, is to use your crochet hook. You go above this piece, under this piece, and above this piece, and you hold on to both of your things, both of your ends of yarn, and you pull it. And then you have a slip knot on your crochet hook. So now that you have the slip knot made, you need to chain. And if you're doing any sort of pattern from either reading it or following it on a YouTube tutorial, more likely than not, it's going to show you how many chains you need to make. But for now, we're just going to practice doing 15. So to do that, you yarn over, and whenever you yarn over, you always go from the back to the front. So you take your yarn, and sometimes it actually helps to physically put your yarn behind your crochet hook in the way you're working. So while holding on to that initial slip knot to keep it secure, back to front, and then pull through. Back to front, and pull through. Back to front, and pull through. And it's important to try to keep your current chain going to keep it straight, so I tend to hold it in place. However, it's the most comfortable way. Everyone's going to have a different way of holding it. I don't like to go over specific ways to hold your crochet hook because for everyone they're going to find a different way that's more comfortable for them to hold their crochet hook and their yarn. So you're just going to keep yarn over hook, pull through the loop. And that, you can see, is a chain. And in order to count your chain, you don't count the loop on your hook, so this doesn't count, and you don't count your knot. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we want more, we just keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there is a loop of 15. And again, to count, we wouldn't count the one on the hook. So we start here and we count to the one before the knot. We don't count the knot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there is a chain of 15. So now you've learned how to chain, and that is one of the beginning starting methods to learn how to crochet. I am also going to be putting up a video on how to do the magic circle soon. So if you would like to go over and watch that, I would much appreciate it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Thank you!